welcome and welcome back to my channel. So today we're in the bathroom. I thought I'd do a little switcheroo, and the sun through this window is amazing, but don't ask me where I'm sitting. That's not today's story. So my best friend's birthday is coming up. I've had this fabric for so long. I bought it somewhere last year and I didn't know what to make with it. At the time I wanted to make the long sleeved bodycon dress that what's the name, Kiki Palmer wore when she had that whole Asha controversy thing. That dress was amazing and I was like, okay, maybe I should make this. And then I totally forgot about it and I didn't even, I just didn't feel like making it anymore. And then a few days ago I was just scrolling through my Instagram and one of my my friends on Instagram was wearing this cute top. I'm gonna insert a picture right here over here. Oh, it was so cute. And I then remember I've saved a similar dress to the top on my Pinterest board a while back of stuff that I wanted to make. So this is like a polka dotted sheer fabric. It's gonna give a bit of sexy and just sexy overall. I feel like the design will make the top look really elegant and grown and sexy at the same time. So that's what I'm trying to recreate today. Let's go see if we can make that happen.
So we're gonna start by making a few sketches. So I did a sketch for a dress and a top because I'm not really sure if there's going to be enough fabric for me to make a dress, but I really want a dress. As you guys saw in the beginning of the video, I'm trying to work with my fabric and see which piece is gonna work. And I also want the bottom of the arms to be a little frilly. Hopefully we can make that happen. So here's our fabric up close. It's a sheer polka dotted fabric. It's so cute. I'm gonna be using this tank top for the pattern of the body of the top. With our fabric on fold, we're gonna lay the top on top. So this is like a cropped tank top and I want the top to reach my lower waist. So I left a bit of space under. I think I added about 6 inches at the bottom, and then we're gonna pin down your tank top to have it in place and secure. So this fabric is a little slippery, so it was a lot to work with. So at the top, since it's going to be a straight line across the shoulder line, I'm gonna cut it at the neckline of the front of the top. This is just an assumption. This is not our final cut, but I just want to get an idea of where everything is going to be sitting, and then you're gonna cut that piece out. And this is the body of our top. Now we're going to move on to cutting for the piece that's going to overlay on top of the top. I don't know what that piece is called, guys. So you're gonna have your fabric unfold and then you're gonna measure 16 inches and you're gonna cut out that rectangle shape. So it's going to be 8 on the outside and 8 for the inside piece of the thing. I hope this makes sense, but as you guys can see what I'm doing. And if you want this piece to cover like past your boobs, you can make this piece longer as well. I didn't have enough fabric, so this was the best I could get out of it. So I folded it in half to just see how it's going to cover on me. It seems to going to be able to cover up past my boobs, but we're gonna see because this piece was a little bit small for me. Now onto cutting for the arms of the top. I'm literally using scraps because my fabric is running out. But you can just have your fabric unfold, and I'm going to be using the arms of this cardigan because it has a similar stretch to the sheer lace that I'm using. Now to test if our armholes are making sense, I'm going to take the body part of the top and just line up the armhole part and see if they're aligning. Now that we have all our pieces, we're gonna sew on the outsides of the arm pieces, and then on our rectangle part, this is the overlaying part, you're gonna fold it in half and then sew on the side, and you're also gonna sew on the sides of the body of the top. Now with our first fitting, I feel like we're gonna have to like fit every single step of the top because I'm very nervous, like But here's the top, the arms of the top. They're not bad, they're fitting well, and I don't like the bottom. I don't know what I'm gonna do about it. And then the body of the top, it's a little bit loose, and that piece on top, we're just gonna cut that off as excess fabric because that's where I want the top to lay, and we're gonna adjust the sides to make it a little tighter. Now trying the overlaying piece to the top. This one is a little easy but a little hard to explain. Easy doing, a little hard to explain. This is how it's going to sit. As you can see, it's a little shorter than I wanted it to go. I wanted to go past my boobs, but we'll see how it looks with the final product. Cut off the excess fabric on the body of the top. We're gonna attach the arms, so we're gonna have them right sides out. That's why I'm turning them the right way, and then you're gonna line up the seams of the armhole of the arms with the little armholes of the top. So you're gonna put your arm inside the top because the top is laying wrong side out, and then line them up and just sew around there. Now with our second fitting, I have so many doubts, but let's see. Our fitting showing us success, we're gonna go ahead and attach the overlay part of the top. This is going to be a little hard to explain, so I'm gonna trim off these excess pieces on the arm part so that I have a straight line on the top of my top, and then we're gonna have it the wrong side out, where you can see your seam line that you attached the sides of the rectangle together, right? And then you're gonna line that up with your top on the right side out, and then you're gonna match your side seams together all around the top of the top and sew around. I hope you guys understood that, because yeah. Now with all the pieces of the top united, this is what we have. It's gonna give you this weird ass neckline, but when you fold it over the shoulder, it's gonna give the look that we're looking for. So this is how I finished the bottom of the arms, and yeah, that's the finished product.
The way we move, skin on skin, no separation, need no conversation, nah, nah, nah. On everything, it's automatic, going table to my hand, nah, nah. Right, wishing the wheels will fall off. Time is ticking, it's taking you too long. Right before I decide to go. I like you hurt me, only step it up if you deserve me, yeah. Pull up and hurt me, push the stop. I like you hurt me, only step it.
So I just finished making the top, as you guys just saw. Oh, I'm gonna take off my glasses. Ooh, the light is bomb. Anyways, I just finished making the top. What do you guys think? I personally am in love, and I cannot wait for the day to get here so I can just wear this top and be outside, you know? Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and thank you so much for watching, and thank you to the new subscribers. Welcome. I hope you guys are enjoying the videos, and see you guys in my next one.